3, 2, 1. Bienvenidos a Español con Dennis. Yes, welcome to Spanish with Dennis again, guys. And today, grammar, gramática. Yeah, you hate this topic. But guys, if you want to speak correctly in Spanish, grammar is very important. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of grammar, but you need to know it. Because today, guys, is a very important topic in Spanish. Ser, verbo, verb. Estar. Ser y estar. Ser y estar. But guys, ser means to be. Estar means to be. And when we use ser and when we use estar, if the meaning is to be in English, yeah. In different languages, ser y estar means one verb. In our language, have different meaning when we use ser and when we use estar. This is the topic of today. So welcome today. So today, guys, you will know when to use ser, when to use estar, because it's very important. And I think that you already know the conjugation of ser and estar. Ser is yo soy, tú eres, él es, ella es, usted es, nosotros somos, vosotros sois, ustedes son, ellos son. Estar. Guys, and what is the conjugation of estar? Yo estoy, tú estás, él está, ella está, usted está, nosotros estamos, vosotros estáis, ustedes están, ellos están. So, got it. So, guys, let's start with ser, and then estar, okay? When do we use the verb ser? So, guys, the first case when we use ser is appearance, apariencia, característica, characteristic, personality. So let's make some examples so you can understand even more clear. Tu amigo Carlos es muy alto. Your friend Carlos is very tall. Alto, característica o apariencia, ¿sí? Yes? This is why you need to use ser. Tu amigo Carlos está alto. No, it's not correct. It's not correct. Never. So, another example. Personality, yeah? For example. Ellos son muy simpáticos. They are very nice. Personalidad. Part of personality. We need to use ser. So, guys, another case when we use ser. When we talk about nacionalidad. Nationality. Nacionalidad. For example... ¿De dónde eres? Yo soy de República Dominicana. Tú eres de Estados Unidos. Él es de Canadá. Nacionalidad. Nacionalidad usa el verbo ser. Use the verb ser. Ser. Always. Okay? Got it. Going on. So, guys, another moment or case when we use ser. When we talk about relationship. Relaciones. Personals or family relationship, friendly relationship. For example, you are my friend. Tú eres mi amigo. Nosotros somos hermanos. We are brothers. Got it? Relationship, colleague, boss, family, friendship. Going on, guys. Another case when we use ser. Yes, very important case also. When we talk about fecha, date, and hora, time. For example, hoy es lunes. Today is Monday. ¿Qué hora es? What time is it? Son las 3 de la tarde. Day and time, guys. Don't forget about that. Going on. So, guys, another moment or case when we use ser, and very important also, when we talk about professions, yeah? Profesiones, profession. ¿Cuál es tu profesión? What is your profession? Yo soy profesor. I am a teacher. You are engineer. Tú eres ingeniero. Nosotros somos doctores. We are doctors. Profession, ser, guys. You got it? Understand? I hope so. So, guys, those are very important moments when we use ser. But now we will move on to estar. Estar, that also translated like to be. And when do we use estar? The first case when we use estar is estado de ánimo, mood, estado de ánimo. How is your mood? ¿Cómo es tu estado de ánimo? For example, estoy muy triste porque no pasé el examen de español. I am very sad because I didn't pass the Spanish exam. So, emotions, mood, estado de ánimo. Got it. Another example of mood, estado de ánimo. Tu amigo está enfermo desde ayer. Your friend is sick since yesterday. Estado de ánimo, está enfermo. He was feeling good and then bad, sick. So, está enfermo desde ayer. ¿Entienden? Understand, yeah? Going on. Another case when we use estar, when we talk about location, ubicación, location. And this is very important. For example, tú estás en casa. You are at home. Yo estoy en la calle. I am in the street. Location, ubicación. Or ustedes están en América. You are in America. Location, ubicación is not hard to understand. So guys, going on to the next case. When do we use estar also? When we use estar plus gerundio. Maybe you already know gerundio. Gerundio, it looks like present continuous, but in Spanish. For example, things that we are doing at the moment. For example, ahora yo estoy hablando. Now I am speaking. Ahora tú estás viendo mi video. Now you are watching my video. Got it. Understand. ¿Entiendes? So guys, I hope that this video was useful for you because it's very important to know the difference between ser y estar because the meaning is to be, but we use it in different cases and now you know some of the most important differences. Yes, because there are more differences. Maybe I will make another video because there are other differences between ser y estar. But today, this is all guys. Thank you all for watching until the end. And remember to like and subscribe and activate the bell for future notifications. So, gracias por escuchar. Adiós. Hasta la próxima. Yo soy latino. Tú estás en casa. Él es profesor. Ustedes están en Canadá. Son las 3 de la mañana. Chao.